Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. I recently bought this on Boxing Day sale from Argos for $24.99, and I thought I'll unbox it and review it. As you can see, this is the 2nd generation I have here. I've heard many good things about this speaker, so I just went ahead and bought one for myself. It's the actual box itself is not that big. It's quite a standard size for a mini speaker. There's some information here, and I'll show you here. As you can see, these are the apps that you can control from your Google Nest Mini. There are YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, various other apps as well you can control. Google thinks it's a small and mighty. We'll find out about that later on in the video. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I don't have a knife, so I'm just gonna use my scissors and get cracking. Right, so let's take the plastic wrapper off. So yeah, okay, so plastic wrapper is coming off. Right, okay, here we go. So this is the moment we find out the actual thing. Right, here it is, guys. So it's very mini, it's not that big at all. It doesn't have many buttons. It's got space gray, because I wanted the space gray version. There is another variant, it's the white version, but I prefer this space gray model. It comes with a USB cable as well as a adapter, plug-in adapter, and that's pretty much it. It also comes with the instruction manual, but I won't be needing this because I know pretty much what I'm doing. So yeah, it's just an empty box. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is what comes with the Google Nest Mini. This was in the box. Right, so I will just close this and then I'll get cracking with the review. Right, I'll just show you. The only button on the speaker itself is the microphone, and then you got this plug-in where you plug in the USB cable. The speaker itself, it doesn't have any other buttons. It's touch controls. So that's it for unboxing. On the next video I'll be reviewing it, and yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.